Here is how to switch between multiple accounts on Instagram. Go ahead and launch your Instagram application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. After that, tap on your profile from the bottom right corner of your screen. There, you'll see your username in the top of the screen, and beside that, you'll see the drop down menu. Select it. Now you'll get the list of account that is logged into your device, and you can tap on any one account which you want to switch to, and you'll be instantly logged into that specific account. If you do not have multiple accounts, you can tap on that same drop down menu and tap on add Instagram account, tap on log into existing account or create a new account, then enter your username and password and tap on login. And once you're logged in, you can try switching between your account instantly. Another thing you can do is you can double tap on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen to switch your account, then tap on switch account option and you'll be done. The double tapping feature is now enabled, and you can double tap on that specific profile picture from the bottom of the screen to just switch to another account logged into your device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.